Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Welcome back on to Roblox. Now I've been seeing as far to this game, Work at a Pizza Place, which is a very popular game still. But there are from time to time where people are struggling on how to make extra money. And I'm gonna be showing that basically. So let's just get right into the game. Alright, now hang on a second. Alright. Now, let's just talk about one thing, right? So there are videos on how to make extra money, but they don't really show exactly as far to my point. So I'm going to be showing you how to make extra money on this game. Now, yeah, the cash register is a cool, easy job, right? But no, it's really not going to do anything. It's not going to help you get money faster. I'd recommend doing this one because cooking takes a lot of time and effort, and I think it's easier to make money off of it. So you just want to work here over and over again, like how I'm doing. See, I'm not making a lot of money right now, but if I keep doing this and keep repeating the same process over and over again, then yes, I will make more money than usual. Now I say this is a good job to do because during neon time or double time, the more you do this, the more money you can make. Now I'd recommend still doing this job only because hang on a second. Anyways, so now we're gonna put this piece in here. Now I say this is, like I said, this is a good job to do because if neon time or double time is activated, or if it's happening, it's best to do this job faster because making pizza makes 2 times more money than cash register. And yeah, and then the next job over here, we got pizza boxer. Now also this is a good job because sometimes if you see the pizza glow, it means that you can make more profitable money. But right now it's not glowing, but you can still do this job because it also makes a lot of money. And during the on time and double time, it also gives you more money to do, or to make, sorry. So I'd recommend this job if you want to be a pizza boxer. That's how you make more money. And then the next job would probably delivery. Now delivery is probably the most boring job, yes, I know. But this can also make a lot of money. If you drive around over and over again, B6. That's not B6. Now just do what I do. Follow the process that I do. Just go around, deliver pizzas. I don't know what that guy's doing. Now you just deliver the pizza like this, and you can repeat the process. And like I said, when neon time or double time is activated, I'd recommend you working because you can make a lot more money than usual than you would do on a normal daily basis. See, right now I have 1,000 coins, so let's just keep doing this process over and over again. But you also want to work during the day. That's why you can make more money when it's nighttime. Because it's next morning. When it's the next morning, that's how you make more money. Because you can work during the day and then the night, and then when it's next morning. I don't think, if you understand what I'm saying, like, basically, just work during the day and then work during the night. And then when it's morning, you should make a lot of money. Now let's just keep on this process. I don't know what that means. Must be my hat. Okay, well this guy is on my corner. This house ordered pizza again. Interesting. Alright, well, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, like and subscribe. Oh, this is what I'm talking about. The pizza is yellow. It's gone. Put it in there. Boom, boom, boom. See right there. Plus 100, plus all that. And then you can wait until you get the check. So anyways, if you did like the video, Please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video from me. Anyways, peace out.